Family, 30 years old, Pamakang Village, Cabuyao, Laguna.
Hi, good evening. My name is Mariano Abid. I'm 13 years old. I live in San Isidro, Cabuyao, Laguna. Good evening, everyone. I'm Marian Steven Salgana, 30 years old, San Isidro High School Division, San Isidro, Cabuyao, Laguna. God bless all. Good evening. My name is Jessica Awardones, 12 years old from Ganda Casio Group Subdivision, Banay-Banay, Cabuyao, Laguna. Good evening, everyone. My name is Paulina Marco. I'm 12 years old. I live in Lakeside Nest, Subdivision, Banay-Banay, Cabuyao, Laguna. Hello, and good evening to all of you. I'm Nakina Jane M. Torres, 12 years old from Villa, Santa Rosa City. Mabuhay! Good evening. Standing in front of me is Mariel Villarena, 13 years old. Presently studying at Mahogany Village, Pulong, Cabuyao, Laguna.
Good evening. My name is April Lea Aguinaldo, 12 years old from Pansal Village, Lugan, Cabuyao, Laguna. God bless. A gratifying